Hey, Mr. School Counselor, I am at Barnes & Nobles right now, looking at books, messing around, getting ready to watch the movie The Nun. I heard it's scary. I heard it's intense, so we'll see. I'll be seeing it in within the next hour or so. But as I'm walking around Barnes & Nobles just waiting, I'm looking at books and I'm seeing that there are SAT. Actually, let me show you as I walk here. So there's SAT and ACT books, study prep books and stuff, you know. Currently, they got them now at 30% off and stuff. And all to just say, there are a lot of services out there. There are a lot of things that people can provide assistance or help you out with. And an alternative, if you are, for example, like me back then, I couldn't afford it. But an alternative to services and people trying to help you is if you can get your butt to a bookstore, get it. Knowledge is free. You can come into a store like this, chill out, read. If you got to come in here on a Saturday, on a Wednesday night for about an hour or so, pick up one of these books and just start reading away. Just start reading away. It's important because the more you read into it, the more you have an opportunity to better yourself, the more you have an opportunity to get that step above and even that head start. There are a lot of people that take SATs, that take ACTs, that take tutorial preps, and sometimes they have the resources. And just because you don't have the resources doesn't mean that you shouldn't do something about it. Now you have the opportunity to do something about it. Bring your butt to a bookstore. Like I said, I'm at my local one. This is Barnes & Nobles right here. And try to find the closest one to you that works with your schedule. This way, you don't get left behind. And this way, you don't say, man, I should have or I could have. Even if it's 10 minutes, come here, pick up a book. Take a look through the pages, scroll through, like I said, sit down, grab a cup of coffee, grab a hot chocolate, and it's all on you. My movie's about to start soon. I'm extremely excited. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Good luck. And you already know what I'm going to say. Let's do what it